So discipline is the right way to do things well, but it requires control over our body and mind. But both should be coordinated. It is one of the good habits of the character which has very positive and good impact in our lives. So it becomes a fundamental part of our life for everyone in the life. And discipline is not just a word to speak about, but it is very essential for everyone for success. Because at the time of doing work, if we make rules and regulation and follow them in a appropriate and proper manner, that will become a key for success. Starting from our childhood, our parents, teachers, and our elders taught taught us discipline, and because they were knowing that it is very important and essential thing that we should have to gain success. From writing an essay, until winning a game of chess or cricket, everything requires discipline. It helps to generate self-confidence and self-control in our life. Discipline is also important for a nation's development. As a nation is a developing one, so it is more important for us to adopt discipline. It gives us a smooth going life, and this gives us happiness. And if we are happy, we try to keep our environment happy. Successful people owe their success to discipline, as it is applicable in each and everything. It is the important necessity of happy and peaceful life. It is very good because it gives us lots of great opportunities, right way to go ahead and to learn more thing in life and to experience within less time and grow up with more and more opportunities. Lack of discipline uh, causes a very bad effect in a life, which gives confusion and this which gives very confusion, and some disorder happens with us because they do not have plans to do work, because we do not have plans to do work. Indiscipline gives no peace and progress in the life. Instead, you have to face lots of problems. Without discipline, one cannot live a happy life. In general life, if we see the person without it who breaks natural rules, he is treated as unhealthy one. So we should follow discipline in our life. As we can see today, Madam has decided to give 3 to 5 minutes so that everyone can get time to speak. This is the only thing that creates us, that tells us that we should follow discipline.